I'm gonna show how to capture traffic on an iOS device. First of all, your device must be jailbroken. Here's the device I'm using. It's iPhone 8, I think. Here, and Frida must be installed. Here, you can easily install it by adding the repository. Here, by clicking on the repository, I will give it also in the screen. Okay, after you have it, connect your device to the PC. Here I have connected the device to my PC, and here's the script I'm gonna use. I will also give the link for the script in the description. Let's check if the device is connected or not with this command Frida-PSU for USB. Okay, the device is connected and Frida is running fine. First we're gonna open the targeted app. I'm gonna use this as demo app, and we're gonna type Frida U for USB. I think this was the command. Not wait a sec. Okay, sorry for the disruption. I found the command. It's Frida PS UA, like this. Run it. You will see the package IDs for the applications. Here, this is the app I'm gonna target. I'll copy it. Now I'm gonna close the application on the device. And type the command Frida U for USB, F for the process that we're targeting, and now L for the script. Here is the script. We're gonna drag and drop it, and we're gonna run it. Here you are seeing it. Here is the traffic. You can see it. If I interact with the app, there's more traffic popping up. Thanks for watching.